Goes Honk by Maudie Powell-Tuck. This is Hank the Goose. Sometimes Hank is impatient and obnoxious. Obnoxious means extremely unpleasant, which is not nice. How can a goose be obnoxious? Oh, just you wait and see. Hank interrupts
Honk.
everybody. So if I tell you a really great story about a
Honk.
and a
Honk.
you won't hear a
Honkity honk.
word. See what I mean? That Hank. What an obnoxious goose. It gets worse.
Honk, 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 honkity honk, 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 honkity honk, honk, honk.
Hank takes the cherries from cupcakes. He talks about himself all the time. He
Honks.
in the library and during movies.
Honk.
And whatever you do, don't let him near your books or your balloon.
Peck. Bang.
Classic Hank.
Honk, honk, honk.
But being
honk,
obnoxious
honk,
can't
honk,
always be
honk,
fun, can
honk.
it, Hank?
Honk?
Doesn't it leave you feeling a little lonely?
Honk.
So maybe it's time for a change. Time for a whole new Hank. Time to take turns. Listen to others. And share toys. High five, Hank. You're being very considerate. Considerate means thinking of others. We are so proud of you. Cuddling babies, helping others across the street, playing with all your new friends, and not popping Bunny's beautiful big red balloon. Hank.
Bang.
Sigh.
Honk.
We know you're disappointed in yourself, Hank, but don't.
Peck, 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 peck.
Oh, Hank, it's okay. You really tried. Let's start again. Take a deep breath. That's it. And, well, I was not expecting you to blow up a new balloon for Bunny. Such a big, blue, utterly poppable new balloon to say you're sorry. But, Hank, you aren't going to pop it. Are you?